As an employee, we have to stay patient because good things take time. Result don't happen quickly. Di ka din siya mo abot dali-dali. But even so, keep showing up even on the hard days. Sa mga kalisod, sige ra. Kaya ang success starts with discipline and consistency. So, disiplina mo, consistent ang ginagawa mo. Your work today is building your future. So kung magtrabaho ka nga bagdoy-bagdoy, wa gayoy madiyahon nga resulta kinabukasan. And even mahirap, don't quit. Kung pagod ka sa trabaho, wag kang do not ayaw pag-complain. Rest is needed. Pahuway. Then after a minute, after 15 minutes, then continue. Go back to your work with enthusiasm ba. Every effort you make is a step closer to success. Maraming gusto maging successful pero ayaw nila mag-effort. Do your best today even if it's not perfect. Hindi man perfect yung ginagawa mo. Just do your best. Make things, make something new. Do something new that is very profitable. Huwag mong isipin na nilagay ka ng Panginoon, even you are professional or not, the, kung lisod ang trabaho nga giabutan mo, ayaw huna-huna ang pasakit. Instead, na disiplina ha ang kaugalingon mo na bisan ka ikaw ibutang, kaya mo. As I said a while ago, your work today is building your future. Maging pasensyoso sa mga bagay. Dahil ang pagiging pasensyoso, pagiging maayos sa trabaho, ay magdudulot ng mabuting resulta. Those are the words that the encouraging words di ay unta kung sino man makabasahan ang trabaho ay mahalon ta ang trabaho ta kay ang iban gusto taod ng itang trabaho, taod ng itang opportunity, pero minsan sa atin binigay sa atin yung opportunity, hindi na yung ibang tao ay hindi nabigyan ng oportunidad. So kung sa atin yung pagkakataon, bigyan natin ng halaga. Maraming pagkukulang, marami tayong mga problema. It doesn't mean na hindi natin malalampasan yan. We should have discipline. Disiplinahon ng kaugalingon para sa future mo yan. Okay. Ang effort mo, daily, it's not in vain. Di am sayang. Kung yan nakakita ka nimo o wala, yung may Ginoo nga gaatod. God always God is always watching us. He is the one who touched the other, the hearts of the other people na tulungan tayo. Pero kung we continue to become belligerent, reklamador, there is no such person na tutulong sa iyo. Pagkatapos, kung wala na trabaho ta, maghahanap na naman tayo. Dapat yung ego natin, we should know how to control our ego. We should prioritize our family because that is the way how we love them. We should control ourselves. Sabi ko gani, disiplina. Do your best today. Even if it's not perfect. Sige lang, continue lang. Wala namang pumipigil dyan eh. Ang success gani, sabi ko, there's no such shortcut to become a successful. Kung gusto mo maging successful, dapat kuan lang, sikap, tiyaga, and attitude, control our attitude. Yun lang. I hope that these words helps others. Madiyaw ka diyong, taat ka diyong salamat.